Describe something that you did with someone, a group of people. You should say what it was, who you did it with, how long it took you to do this, and explain why you did it together. One of the most memorable things that I did with a group of people was a road trip to a nearby hill station. It was an impromptu plan that we made on a weekend, and it turned out to be a lot of fun. I did this road trip with a group of close friends, including 3 of my college buddies and 2 of their friends. We all lived in the same city and had been planning a trip together for quite some time, but due to our busy schedules, we could never make it happen. So when one of my friends suggested a weekend getaway, we all jumped at the opportunity. The road trip took us around 5 to 6 hours, including a few pit stops along the way. We drove through picturesque countryside roads, listened to music, chatted, and laughed. We also played some road trip games to pass the time, which added to the fun. Once we reached the hill station, we checked into a cozy cottage and spent the next 2 days exploring the town, visiting tourist attractions, and trying out local delicacies. We went on nature walks, watched the sunset from a hilltop, and indulged in some adventure activities like zip lining and rock climbing. We also spent a lot of time talking and catching up on each other's lives, which was a great bonding experience. The reason why we did this trip together was that we wanted to spend some quality time with each other, away from the distractions of our daily lives. We had all been busy with our work and studies, and this trip gave us the opportunity to reconnect and create some wonderful memories together. It was a great way to distress and unwind, and we all returned to our routine lives feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. In conclusion, the road trip to the hill station with my friends was a memorable experience that I cherish to this day. It was a great way to bond with each other and create lasting memories that we will always treasure.